Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's live session. What do you want me to serve you? Tea or malt? Type in the comment section. What do you want me to give to you guys? Tea or malt? And don't worry, the bread is on the way. Hey, what's up, everyone? Are we ready to smash some stuff? Okay, you know what? You know what? Before we start the class, just type it there. What do you want? Tea or malt? Bread or yam? Oh, I'm seeing different. Oh, akara, malt and bread, tea and bread. Jesus Christ. Okay, I think today's gonna be massive. Today's gonna be seriously massive. Okay, I think let me balance this. Yep, I think it's more better this way. Somebody asked for fufu. Gee, that just check that man. That man is a local man. You shouldn't ask for fufu. You should ask for better food like Eba. Eba is more, international than fufu. Okay, so guys, let's wait for the others to bump in and then we start the live class. I believe that today, by the end of today, something massive is gonna shift among us. Yeah, I believe that strongly. Well. So we started class officially by 9:22. Let's give the others more time to comment. Hello, can you guys hear me now? Is it better now? Okay, mucho gusto. Nice to meet y'all. I'm back again. I think the issue is I just got a call from Zamfara. They needed me to come and do some assignment for them in chemistry before I jumped down. So while I was there, MTN got disrupted and my mic was off. So I'm back. Okay. So before I start, this is what I said the other time when you guys were not hearing me. I think is it balance? Can you guys see the spots? No, they can't. Okay, let me check. Let me reduce it. Why is this thing so hard like this? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think everything is perfect now. Yeah. So before we start today, which will be our first day, and I show science series. I show science. Now, simple as this may sound, trust me, if you don't know chemistry or physics or biology, it's not your fault. Probably it's because you're not following from the village, or you're not reading enough, or you're actually studying, we are doing it in the wrong way, or you don't have someone to break it down into baby way for you. That is where I come in. My name is Nelson Lazarus, aka the human being, the Homo sapien behind science that is simple. Now, this is what you're going to do. Before we start today's session, I'll be teaching you energetics in chemistry. I want you, first of all, drop your favorite emoji right in that comment section. The number two thing you will do is, I want you to share the link of this live session right now as you're watching me to your friends, your families, your brothers, your sisters, your neighbors. Share it to your mom, your dad, your grandpa, your grandma. Share it to your dog, your goats, your cow, your fish. Share it to all the neighboring cockroaches and the mosquito you have. Share it to everyone, your landlord, your landlady, your president, and your governor. Because today's going to be massive. And when I say it's going to be massive, you know what I mean? It is going to be massive. Now, I'm waiting for you to do that so we can smash into this topic. Energetics. Are you ready for this? If you are ready, let me hear you say, I am ready. Get the writing materials ready because today's live session, it's not going to be like the normal session. Today's live session, I'm going to make your own session live because you actually, right now, you are dead. Let me make you come back alive. Cheers. Are you sharing it? Oh my God, I'm seeing the messages coming in. So this is going to be massive. Pick your book and pick your paper and let's do something today. Something beyond normal. Now let's start chemistry. Should have been the first live class. What is chemistry? Let me put this thing here so I can see your messages easy peasy. Exactly. Yeah, all that. You are all that. But trust me, I'm gonna wake you all up one by one. Where's my black marker for goodness sake? Where is this it? Uh-huh. Yeah, that's massive, huh? That's massive. Okay, let's start now. Dude, what is chemistry? Before we go about energetics, let's talk about chemistry first. What the hell is chemistry? And why is chemistry even hard? What the hell? You see, chemistry is just a science that deals with four major things: C, P, S, U of what? Of matter. That is chemistry. Is the what? Is a major branch of what? Science that deals with C, P, S, U of matter. Now, what is C? C is composition. Chemistry want to learn the composition of matter. What does matter contains? See this marker here? What does it contain? Number one, it contains plastic. It contains what? Plastic. It contains ink. The ink contains alcohol and some color pigments. It contains even things they used to write on top of it. What does this board contain? It contains Paco. Let me say Paco, like Aje Paco. It contains this formica. It contains nail. Yeah, it contains some what's the shit called? Aluminium. That's what chemistry want to study. The composition of matter. Because if you can know what that thing contains, you will know how to behave. And if you know how to behave, you know what to use it for. Are we getting the point here? That's the point. Now we know what we know. Fire contains a flammable property, right? I say fire, sorry, petrol. It contains a flammable property because the guy is very flammable because it's a what? Is a organic compound, and most organic compounds are what? They are flammable in nature, and for that reason, petrol, kerosene, diesel, they are what? Flammable in nature. Now that we know what it contains, now, hey, we know the use. What's the use? Number one, eat all this cereal meat, put fire on top of your body. Let me talk out. Let's go, boys. Now, see, composition. The word P, properties. So this one is composition. This one is what? Properties. So chemistry want to study what? The composition of the matter, the property of matter. Another word for property is what? Is behavior. How does the thing behave? Some things are elastic. Some are flammable. Like, look at this guy now. You see, hydrogen, one of his behavior is what? When you take hydrogen near fire, it does what? Pop. And that's why it's very easy to use hydrogen as what? As an explosive gas. Bomb. Hydrogen, bomb. Oxygen keeps fire burning. That's why we use what? Oxygen to rekindle fire and glints and splinters, because that is his own behavior. So chemistry wants to know the composition, the property, then the structure. Chemistry does not joke with structure. Never. Not today, not yesterday, and not tomorrow. Chemistry likes structure. That is why organic chemistry is hell. But don't worry, I will make it what? Heaven for you. Then lastly, the uses. So what is chemistry? Is the branch of science that deals with number one, composition, properties, structure, and uses of matter. Now, before we start, let's make this class appear like a simple class. Go to the comment section now and drop the me. Mention 2, 3, 4 courses that need chemistry in their day-to-day life. If you can drop it, like I told you guys, today there's going to be a lot of free airtime for the best active users. Now drop it. 2, 3 careers, 2, 3 courses that need chemistry in their profession. Drop it now. I'm checking it. Whoa! Elijah is leading the points now. My God. Dorcas, you already mentioned 1. Elijah is leading big time. Abdulmalik is second. These are who win my airtime for today. Free airtime, free giveaway today, boys. I said 2, not 1. Bring it up, boys. 2. Okay. Okay, I think that is that about that. So we are done now. So those guys you mentioned need chemistry in their day-to-day life. Number one, the pharmacists need to know chemistry to create drugs. Number two, the biochemists. The biochemists need chemistry to understand the metabolic process and metabolic materials in the human and animal body. Number three, what is it called? The industrial chemists. The industrial chemists need what? Chemistry to create the compounds or the substance needed for the industry. That and that. Let's stop there. That's baby shit now. Let's go straight to the next one, which is what? Energetics. Energetics. Okay, no more typing again. Pick your pen and pick your book. Let's go. Another name for energetics is what? It's thermochemistry. This marker is not good. Is what? Thermo. Oh, no. Wait, I have black, right? Let me check. Sorry. Okay. So is what is thermochemistry. There's another black. I brought another black. Okay, yeah, I've seen it. Are you ready for this? If you're ready, do not sleep on it. Oh Jesus, the village people has come. Where's my black marker? Oh, I think this is it. If this is not it, that means I don't trust. Okay, yeah, this is it. Thermochemistry. Now let me slow down for you guys. Are you ready? Let me slow down. You see, there are four major things that will confuse you in this topic when you see it in UTME. Number one, heat. Number two, temperature. Number three, what's number three now? Enthalpy. You know what's number four? Number four is what? Entropy. That's it. Yeah, okay, messages are coming in. Messages are coming in. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we'll attend to this message later. So let's go on these four things, even five. But let's use this four for now. You see, these four things will confuse you when you see this topic, a question from this topic in your UTME. But then, what are these four things and why are they confusing? Let's start with number one, heat. Then, before let's start with energy because we're dealing with energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Don't forget, since energy is the ability to do work, energy can be transferred or transmitted from one, or can be changed from one form to another. The ability to punch this thing is energy. And trust me, by the time I punch this thing, energy has changed form. But then energy can also appear in form of what? Of heat. So what is heat? Heat is basically what? Energy in transit. Oh, are you getting the point? So energy when they waka, now waiting, now heat. Energy when they movement, when they motion, now waiting, now heat. Sure, they get the point. Energy, right there. Heat is energy in transit. Whereas enthalpy is energy that is stored. So heat is energy in transit. While enthalpy is what? Is energy that is what? That is stored. Energy stored. Then temperature is what? Is just basically the hot. Temperature is what? Is the degree of coldness or hotness. But we're dealing with hotness, which means temperature is just degree of what? Hot. How hot you are, how cold you are. If you are hot, if your temperature is high, which is hot, that's what? That's heat. So energy that is stored is enthalpy. In fact, we call it heat content. While energy that is moving is what? Is heat. Right there. Energy in transit equals to heat. Energy, let me check messages. Energy in transit is heat. Then energy stored is what? Is enthalpy. Right there, right there. Yeah, I love. Oh God, living praise. I like the way you type it. That double T. I mean, you're gonna deserve airtime. You deserve airtime. But try more, try more, try more. But currently, the number one person leading the live session is Elijah. Number two, Abdul Malik. So let's see who get the first airtime for today. Now, let me give you a story. Now, I think I've read enough message. Another message? No message. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me give you a story now. Since I've gotten this point, the one is what? Energy is the ability to do work. Heat is the energy what? In transit. Temperature is what? The degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Then enthalpy is what? Energy stored in a material or a body. Then entropy, the last, oh, I skip it. Entropy just was the degree of disorderliness. Hey, what's entropy? Is the degree of, so which means entropy and enthalpy is almost this. Sorry, entropy and temperature is almost the same. So temperature leads us to this. Entropy leads us to this. So when I write entropy, write it there. Entropy is a degree of disorderliness. Let me go and check message. Energy in transit is heat. Correct. Living place. Correct. Any question? No. Okay, let's go. Should I continue? Should we smash it? Okay, let's do this now. So we're gonna use an example. We're gonna use an experiment for example, huh? Now you see, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Immediately it is 30 minutes gone, we ask our first airtime question, and whoever gets it goes on with the first big airtime. Now let's do this thing. Holy smoke. This is getting massive, huh? Now let's do this. If you carry or if you take like five, just a little bit of H2SO4, a little quantity of it, and pour it into a big water. I'm coming. You see, this is H2SO4. Oh no, this is let's use yeah. You see, this is H2SO4 and this is water. Or this is H2SO4, this is water, sorry. Because water is more. Then you pour H2SO4 into this water. The water inside the beaker. Then you notice something. That the resulting solution will be what? Hot. If you do something with HCl, you pour a bit of HCl into water, the resulting solution will be what? Hot. But then, if you take another marker, please. Yeah, another marker. Okay, let's use this one. If you take this same NH4Cl, that's ammonium chloride, pour into water, you realize that the solution becomes cold. Now, the difference between these two things is that when I was pouring H2SO4 and when I was pouring ammonium chloride, there's a change in the temperature. One gets colder, one gets hotter. Where does the heat come from? How does one get cold? How does one get hot? That is what changes in energy. That changes in energy is what leads us to this topic, energetics, which is also known as what? As thermodynamics. Now that I understand energy is what? Is the ability to do work. And you understand that heat, what is heat now? Heat is the what? Is just the energy in transit. And you understand that temperature is what? Degree of hotness or coldness. And don't forget that heat is what? Energy in transit, because if this is hot and this place is cold, energy will leave you what? The hot place to the what? Cold place. Oh, are you getting something here? Energy will always leave the heat to what? To the cold. Because that is why we men, we are hot, but women are what? Cold. Our money is to leave our pocket to the pocket of what? Of women. If you are feeling me, shout yes, sir. Because men are what? Hot. But girls or women are what? Cold. So now we want to leave the hot area to the cold area. Now the question is, if that is the same reason, then when we have these two instances, I need a book, please. I'm coming, please. Then when we have this instance, these two instances, here NH4Cl make this one cold, but here H2SO4 make this one hot. That means energy have left one place to another place. Are you getting me? This one was hot, this one was cold, right? This is NH4Cl. Let me use marker. So when I did the experiment with H2SO4, I realized that what my
My solution was what? Hot. When I did with N84Cl, I remember what my solution was what was cold. Something has happened. There's a change in energy, or there's a transfer of energy from one place to another when this reaction happens. Same thing here also. Now this change that happens between the environment down to the solution here and here is what we call what thermodynamics. Now, if you're actually very smart dynamics, you're actually very smart, you realize that I told you guys earlier just now that what energy leaves from hot to cold. Are you getting the point here? Energy leaves from hot to cold. In that scenario now, if this place is very hot, that means energy will be leaving from what? From the hot place to the what? To the environment. And when energy leave, another name for leave is exit. When energy exits the solution or the material or the context, we call it what? Exothermic. From the word exit, exo. Now that if this one is cold, and energy will always move from the hot to the cold, that means this will be taking in energy. So this one is taking energy. What this kind of reaction is what? Is endothermic. So from the word enter, endo, endo, enter, exit, exo. Are you getting the point here? If you don't get the point, we will smash these points. Today and today, you go know them. If you are following me, say yes, sir. If you have any question, drop it right now. If you have any question, drop it right now. No time to check time. Any question? Drop it ASAP. Okay, in the next 2, 3 minutes, we'll be asking our first question that will lead us to the first airtime. I hope you're ready to make the best out of this. Okay, no question for now. It's all right. This is getting interesting. Okay, good. Now, write this down since there's no question. I've seen like 6, 7 messages. Since there's no question, write this down. What is thermodynamics? So write it down now. Write it. Don't forget. Don't mix it up. What is time or what is energetics? Let's define it. Energetics is the aspect of chemistry that deals with the study of the changes in energy. Or let me write it. Because this thing happen here, you want to study the change that will occur. Like, want to know how energy, why does H2SO4 become hot, but NH4Cl become cold? Why? That reason, he will tell us why. He will tell us. He will tell us why in get cold. So what is energetics now? There's a what? It is a it is the aspect of chemistry, or it's a branch. You can say branch of chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals any question there? That deals with the study of energy changes, of changes in energy, changes in energy that accompanies a chemical or physical process, which is what we want to study today. A chemical or physical process. So I write it there. Analytics is the what? Is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of changes in energy or study of energy changes accompanying what? A physical or chemical process. I'm rubbing up the board very, very soon. Are we good? Now, since now I have understand thermochemistry now, let's move on to what we call the thermo life. What do you mean by thermo life? This is actually very funny. Oh, I wrote dynamics. It's not dynamics, it's chemistry. Thermochemistry. Now, if thermo actually means heat and heat is an energy, then what is dynamics? Since this thermochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of is the branch of chemistry that deals with what study of what heat and heat. Now, what is heat? Heat is what energy in transit. So if we replace energy in transit, what can we say? We can say what energy what changes. Are you getting the point? It's very simple now, right? You see, chemistry, branch of chemistry, this is what study of heat. Because thermal means heat, and then what's heat? Energy in transit. Then energy in transit, that means if you're actually moving, it means your water changing, right? So what branch of chemistry, this is what the study of energy changes accompanying either chemical or physical process. What's it on? Now, what is now thermodynamics? What is thermodynamics? It's just basically any question. Okay, changing it. So you're getting it. You're getting it. So what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics just simply means what? Is dynamic actually means movement or basically flow. You can say what? Thermodynamics is what? It's just the flow of what? Of heat energy. Right. Thermodynamics is what? Thermodynamics is the flow of energy. 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 Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Are you done with this? Now it is time for our airtime question. I'm going to ask two questions. Okay, if I'm not getting that, I'm sorry about it. Don't worry. After the live session, the classes, the video will. Don't worry. I'm not locking the video. You can go back and watch it, so you can go back to check that. Time for our first question. So I'm going to ask two questions. Whoever comes first. The first question carries. Are you ready? The first question carries 5 points. Second question carries 5 points. So the first person to answer goes home with 5 points, and the second person carry 3 points. So those two questions now, whoever answer first win the first airtime for today. Are you ready? But there's terms and conditions applied. For me to give you the airtime, you have to be following me on TikTok and subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you have done that, and you're also following me on Facebook. On Facebook, our Facebook page is Nelson Learning Space. If you have done that, then you are free. You can actually win the airtime. Now, let's do this now. 1, 2, go. The first question. Are you ready? In 5 seconds, the first question. Oh, where's the question? Are you ready for this? Mention an example of a reaction or of a reaction that gives heat to the environment. That means that will become hot. That will become hot. Mention an example of a reaction that gives heat to the environment that becomes hot. I give an example. The reaction between acid and water. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elijah, you're wrong, man. Elijah is wrong. Who will bring the answer? A reaction that gives heat to the environment. Call you wrong. Oh, Jesus, Victoria, you're wrong. Time up, time up. Nobody got that. Nobody got that. Nobody got that. Oh, nobody. Nobody. Second question. Okay, example of such reaction is neutralization reaction. Reaction between acid and base. Combustion. Oh, it's too late. It's too late. Sorry, bro. Who was that? Chocomilo. Ah, I like your name. Chocomilo. Chocomilo. Yay. But it was too late. It was too late. So, second question. Whoever got this one now goes home with the airtime. Are you ready? If you're ready, let me hear you say navigating. Type it there. Navigating. Navigating. Are you ready? Type it out. I am navigating. What are you doing? We are navigating, huh? Yeah, I can see your navigation. Good now. We are pointing navigators. Praise, I see you there. Elijah, I see you. Small boy Clef, I see you. Oh, Olusola, I see you. All of you navigators, I see you. Okpayima, I see you. Now, let's go now. Second question. What is the meaning of enthalpy? In 2 words, what is the meaning of enthalpy? In 2 words, what is the meaning of enthalpy? Five, four, three, two. In 2 words, what is the meaning? Oh, Jesus, Abdul Malik got it. Abdul Malik is starred. Abdul Malik. Okay, hello, hello, everyone. Abdul Malik won. Abdul Malik won the first 500 naira airtime. That's gonna be beautiful. It was the first. Then the second is, oh, no, 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 Elijah, you're wrong. That's entropy. Yeah, living praise. You got it. Okay, no, 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 no. It's not the Malik. It's praise. Yeah, praise was correct. Energy stored. Okay, Malik, sorry, you lost. Malik, sorry, you lost, man. You lost. That's living praise. Living praise. Yeah. She was one. I don't know if it's she or he, but whoever the person is got it. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, that's long story. Victoria Luanifemi, that's long story. You got it. You got it. Abdul Malik, yeah, you also got it. But you wrote heat stored. Heat stored is wrong. It is energy stored. So Press got it. Now Press, you're gonna message us on what is it called? Message us on WhatsApp, and then we'll send you the airtime. Thanks. That's our first winner of the day. Now let's go back to the class. Okay, everybody, let's go back to class. Let's go back to navigating. Let's go back. Before we go to the next question again, trust me, I told you this class is going to be massive. Share the link to everybody around you. The goats and the dogs on the past chemistry. It's going to be massive, baby. Let's do this. I show science. Now, terms in thermochemistry. Terms in thermochemistry. Now, you see, some of you will mix this thing together. Some of you always, you don't get it right, and it's not a good sign that you don't get it right. No, jokes apart. I really wish everyone here can get it right. Is it blue that is there? I thought it's black. Oh God. Now, number one, system. Now, what is system? You see, there are like 5 things there. There are like 5 things under these terms. Hope everything. Hope you can hear me and hope you can see the board and everything is clear, right? Okay. Number one, the system. We have one system here. Whoa. So that means all the marker at home is blue, 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 blue. And there's no time for me to be changing it now. Number 2, the surrounding. Number 3, an open system. An open system. Number 4, a closed system. Number 5, an isolated system. So which means just need to understand this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then this. I'm coming. Just wait. Just wait. I'm coming. I'm coming. Just wait. Sorry. You know, I told you that this was going to be massive, right? I'm going to show you a real system now. Mary, please give me what is it called? Give me any seasoning there. Now, this is the time you need to screen record and post it to your status. That almost this teacher is teacher Ogba. Oh, there is one. Good. I love this. I love this pot and water, but there's no need. Now look at this now. Can you see this too? You see, let's say this is a beaker or a bottle containing palm oil. This palm oil now, if you send me like 5 million naira and I sell it to you, you will pass your jam. because I okay, back to class now. You see, let's use this guy. This guy, this is the apparatus, or this is the beaker, and there's granite oil inside it. Granite oil inside it. What we are studying is the system. So that thing we are studying is the system. This beaker here, I myself, the air around, you understand? Everything around it is the what? The surrounding. The thing we are studying is the system. Everything around it, the energy around, but obviously there's energy around. Like some of you now, you have while you have been in this class for like 40 minutes, you have messed like 4 times. That mess na energy. Now, why anytime person mess for boss, all of us will what we scatter because the energy will push us away. So you get the energy was push us away. So if the person that mess is a girl, she's now beautiful, she's now fair. Voila, don't they? Now, what is that an open system? But before we go further, let's write number one first. What is a system? Write it there. A system is the material. A system is the material or collections of material under study. Write it there, boys. Write it there. A system is the material or collection of materials under study. This was asking me which says am I teaching. It's not on the board. I like Nigerians. Have you written that? So example now. My granite oil that is inside this bottle. A chemical inside a beaker. A water in a calorimeter. All these things are example of system. What we are studying is the system. Now, number two, I'm trying to be checking your message. I'm at the back of the phone. I'm checking the messages. Number two. So write those examples. So chemicals inside a beaker. To Tonelsis palm oil in a bottle. System to big gun. Water in the calorimeter. So as long as you are measuring it, it is a what? A system. Are you done? Then number two, surroundings. Number two, surroundings. Don't forget, system is that thing we are studying. Number one, I say number one is what? Number one is Mr. Nelson palm oil in a bottle. Water in a calorimeter. Chemical in a beaker. Your acid in a pipette. No, cannot just run on the pipette though. Because that's how to be for titration. So that's system. Now, why surrounding is what? Is everything outside the system. I need, can you please assist me? I need a black marker. Like I need another color. I can't be using one color. Yeah? Are you done? Huh? Please come on help me with this thing. Check my bag. There should be a black marker somewhere. I don't like using one color, not even red, not even blue. She said, I shall not stand up. Have you written it? So surround is everything outside what the system. Number one, air around the beaker. Air around the beaker. Number two, the container walls. Like for example, look at this my own my own system, but so in this system now, you see this container, the wall of the container is the surrounding. If I open it now, but I'll not open it, do you know why? I've not paid for it. I just collected it yesterday, and ever since then I'm passing the second street, so they will not see me. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. So if I open it now, the air around it is the system. If I when you actually boiling water and you actually lift the lid up like using Nigerians to call it cover, you shall open the cover. immediately open the cover and whatever from your body fall into that water, you're part of the surrounding. So that's it. Now, if you are using that, now let's move on to the next stage. Is the back of the bag. Now, if you're done now let's go to what does open system now mean? Please, if you're done, let me know. Just say, yep, if you're done, let me know. Do you see black ink? This one. This one. So there's still ink in that one, sir. Oh, wait, let me use it for now. Are you done? Okay. The system choke, I swear, Anita, the system choke, Gidigo. Can you guys hear me? Hello? Jesus Christ. Oh, no. Wait, where did I stop? Where did I? Oh, no. So, where did the network disappear? I'm not aware. Ah, so which means all the explanation I made for open system, closed system, accelerated system, none of them came in. Jesus Christ. Wow. Like seriously? How don't I finish this class today? Why is MTN doing like this now, eh? See this just keep my spirit sharp. Hello everyone. Can you guys hear me now? Hello? Are they responding? Ah, you know what? We have to bring the class to an end and I can't continue again. I don't know. It's messed up already. We just have to meet again on Tuesday, and continue the class. Thank you for being here today. I don't know why network is this bad. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's I don't even understand. I've used two different. I should return the palm oil. Oh, okay, I'll return it. I'll return it. Yeah, thank you for the emojis. Thank you so much. I appreciate. But the live class is not stopping. There is nothing that can stop it. Not your village people and not my village people. None of them can stop it. We are quantum navigators. We are Q navigators. We are great. We are doctors, engineers, and crazy scientists. So we are not giving up. So I think, but this is just where today's night class will end. I don't know. That's just how I'm gonna manage it for today. But believe me, yeah, I will return the palm oil. Show for me. I don't know who that person is. I will return it. Not collect palm oil on Tuesday. Okay, yeah, praise. I will not collect palm oil on Tuesday. I will not. Yeah, living praise. Okay, but before I go, should we ask one more airtime question before we go? Yeah, I'm very, very sorry. I don't know. I seriously don't know. And it's bullshit. It's bullshit that the class will be just fluctuating due to network. I'm using two different SIM, both MTN and Airtel, and both of them are doing shit. This was my people are strong. If I catch you, My dad is a soldier. Oh. I've paid my debt. I paid it already. The palm oil is 700,000 naira. I paid it. That's my fault. Okay, it's all right. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Should we go live on TikTok and play our games there? No, we are not going live on TikTok. But that's where the live session this is where it will end. Let's take it on Tuesday. So the graphics and the details of the class will be announced between now and tomorrow evening. Yeah, the announced between now and tomorrow evening. So our live session will be every Tuesday, every Thursday, Saturdays, and Sunday. Write it down. Don't forget. Every Tuesday, every Thursday. Yeah, Fikayo. Yeah, 700K. That's what I paid. I ain't joke. The palm oil. Look at the palm oil. It's an energetic palm oil. Chemo chemistry palm oil. This palm oil is the pest palm oil in Africa. So yeah. Okay, thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate your showing up. Don't forget, I don't care how many of you are here. I don't care how many of you watched it. But please go ahead after this live session. Go and follow us on Facebook. That's where I'll be dropping the questions I'll be solving on a standard base. And I so much appreciate those of you that actually share the link. We'll meet again on Tuesday. And by the grace of God, this issue of network will not pop up again. So the last question for today, let me ask you guys a question. Let me ask you guys the last question. So Praise won the first one. So we will win the second one. Are you ready for this? I will see your comments here. Are you ready? So two questions. Now the question I want to ask you guys is not part of what I've explained already. It's just a future explanation. It's just a future explanation. Are you ready? Now let's go now. Let me think of the question. What reaction? Are you ready? What reaction what kind of reaction will its enthalpy be less than zero? What kind of reaction will its enthalpy be less than zero? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't want to pay money on it. 0. Okay, the first answer here comes in as exothermic, endothermic. Now, let me give you this nugget now. If enthalpy change is equals to, HP minus HR, and then in exothermic reaction is more. So let's say exothermic reaction is 50. What was my question? Did I say negative less than 0, right? Okay. So less than 0 is negative, equals to negative. So and then HP is 30. So this is exothermic reaction. 50 minus 30 is what? Equals to minus 20. So the answer is an exothermic. So it's correct. Shehu Oduwole, correct. So second question now. So Shehu is currently at. Are you seeing this network now? Now that I'm not teaching again. Now he's now staying. Oh, I can't teach again. We'll meet on Tuesday. Let's just go and rest for today. So yeah, Shehu is already 5 points. 5 points. Then we again. I think somebody came. Then Dorcas 3 points. Dorcas is 3 points. Then Fikayo is 1 point. So second question and the last question for the day. Or should we make it 3 questions? Hope you can see me. So second question, are you ready? So this is not the end. 3 questions. I'll see the highest points. Now, number two. In endothermic reaction, which of these has the higher or or which of these has an higher energy in endothermic reaction? Which have the higher reaction? Is it the product or the reactant? In endothermic reaction, which of them has the higher energy? Is it product or reactants? Reactants, I've seen one answer, reactants. Another answer, products. Okay, let's stop. I'll see many answer. The answer is product. So the first is Shehu. Shehu is now 10 points. Mahmoud Rama is now 3 points. Then the third person is not reacting to his product. Oshoja is now 1 point. So currently, Shehu is already leading. I think the final question now. Are you ready? It's not reactant, it's product. In an atomic reaction, the product has a higher energy, and that is why in an atomic reaction, the enthalpy change or the heat content is always what? Is always positive. Yeah? So now let's stop here now. Now, the last question for today, this one carries 10 points. So if the person win it, and she will not win it, that means the person has win the airtime for today, second airtime for today. So are you ready? Now, this is a random chemistry question, this is a random chemistry question, It is not under energetics. Are you ready? Put a network down. If you are ready, let me hear you say navigating. Say navigating. Just type it, let me know you are ready. Navigating. Type navigating. Type navigating right now. Type navigating. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. I want to see more navigating. We are Q navigators. I've seen 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not enough. Bring it coming. 5, 6, 7. Bring it coming more. Do it, boys. Okay, that's beautiful. That's perfect. Now the question is, look at this stuff, yeah? This network is nonsense. So I mean, it's annoying. Just keep my spirit. Look at this question here. The change from solid. What is that black marker? Light black. What do I keep it? Is that it? Or is it that fading one? Is the fading one? I thought I'm coming, please. Okay. So if solid, the change of solid to liquid is melting, and the change of liquid to gas is evaporation or boiling, then what is the change of gas to solid? What's the change of gas to solid? What is the change of gas to solid? Okay, keep the answer coming. Keep the answer coming. This is interesting. Oh, Jesus. Okay, everybody, let's stop here. Let's stop here. Let's just stop here. Okay, keep the answer coming. Keep the answers coming, boys. Keep the answers coming, boys. This is beautiful, man. Keep the answers coming, boys. Okay, let's stop now. Somebody has gotten the answer. Somebody has gotten the answer. The person is Shehu. Shehu still got it again. Shehu is the first. The answer is deposition. Yes, the direction between from solid to gas is deposition. So Shehu has won or win or won it 1,000 naira airtime for tonight. Shehu has won 1,000 naira, and that's just it. That's just it. That's just it. I feel like somebody else will win, but that's just it. Okay, so thank you so much for tonight's live class. Don't forget again, we'll meet on Tuesday, 9 p.m. The subject, I would have said we should do physics on Tuesday, but let's finish this topic first. So for that reason, or if a new subject to be announced, we'll do it. Sorry that the network today disrupted us, even though NEPA was being merciful. On Tuesday, hopefully it's not like this again. Thank you so much for being here with me. Let's meet again on Tuesday. I show science, and my name is Nelson Lazarus. Welcome to Nelson Learning Space. Bye.